Welcome to the overview video of Learn Magica. In this video we will understand main functionalities of this application. Click on Try Now to register your institute. Begin entering essential details of your institute to use the application on trial basis, such as contact person, name of the institute, mention short name of institute. The short name will be used for URL creation. Enter the contact details and set the password. Enter CAPTCHA. Check to allow Techior to contact you regarding services offered and click on Get Started. Welcome to Institute Admin's dashboard. First off, let's see how the question bank is created. In the application, question bank is created and maintained in a hierarchical fashion. To start off, create a board. Create classes under the board. For each class, create multiple subjects. Similarly, for every subject, multiple chapters are created. Topics are created in chapters, although topic creation is optional. Questions are added in chapters, or they can also be added under topics. To start add in questions, click on Questions feature and then click on Add to insert new question. Search for desired questions by selecting academic criteria using advanced search options. Once the question list appeared, open the desired question in edit mode. Check out the academic criteria of the question. Set difficulty level of the question, along with marks. Select the question type from variety of available ones. Images, equations, table can be inserted in question details, along with different formatting tools can be used to make details more presentable. Add optional hint and solution to the question details. Enter answer options and check the correct one. Click on Update to save changes. Click to preview changes. It can be time-consuming to insert questions one by one. Questions can also be inserted in bulk from a Word file using a specific format. Click on Questions module and click on Import. Select the academic criteria where the questions are needed to be inserted. Empty import format can be downloaded by using the given link. Refer to the question type IDs to use for your import file. This is the import format in Microsoft Word document where question details are entered in a systematic manner. Just get the document ready and browse the file by going into the Import feature. Questions can also be exported using the Export Questions feature. For test generation process, click on Test feature. Click Add. Name the test. Select to make test available for offline and then for online attempt. Set the properties for online tests, such as make test active, set test free or paid, set test attempts, show result and so on. Also schedule the test. Set academic criteria for the test. Many test types are available to create test of any pattern. All board patterns, or competitive exam pattern tests can be created, such as create test with objective and subjective questions, create test with only objective questions, set test paper questions subject-wise, also chapter-wise, set questions of multiple chapters along with available question types, also set questions with available question type. Filter questions as per difficulty level and include UICAS by eliminating previous tests questions. Set test paper via available marks or questions. Set test duration and generate the test. Test can be edited, updated, previewed. Questions can be changed from the test. Also, test can be downloaded for documentation purposes or to conduct an offline test. Click on Preview to proofread the contents. Click on Test module. Open the test list by clicking on Search. Open a test in Edit by double-clicking on it. Click on Test Distribution feature. Questions distributed in the test can be reviewed in this report. Questions distributed in the test in terms of chapters, marks, question difficulty level and question type is shown in graphical manner. To create package, go to Package feature and click Add. Name the package, select the academic criteria. After selecting the criteria, include required tests in package. Set the package features. Set the package active for existing and new students and then set the validity of the package. Set the package as free or paid. And optionally set the instruction at the beginning and end of the test, and click Save. Using Classroom feature, institutes can take Zoom Live classes for students directly from the portal. No need to send meeting ID and passwords to students. Various reports can also be generated in Magica. Depending on various criteria, test analysis reports are generated. In-depth analysis on student registrations in the institute can be reviewed using student registration analysis reports. Revenue generated from pay packages can be reviewed thoroughly using revenue analysis reports. Click on Flashcard module. Institute can upload study material in the form of documents, text, audio or videos, also known as highlights. Now let's take a look at the student side of Magica.
First of all, enter the short link provided by the Institute and browse. For students to register, click on the registration link.
You will be redirected to the student registration form. Here student will have to select any packages they are interested in. Later student will have to create login credentials by entering their email ID, mobile number and set password. Also enter personal details. Also enter address details. Do not forget to enter CAPTCHA, it's case sensitive. Welcome to the student dashboard. Click on Free Packages and select the required one from the list. Click on Pay to subscribe for a pay package. Chapter test is the feature. Using this, students can select their choice of subjects, chapters for practice purposes. Mock tests and previous year paper contains pre-created tests. Interrupted tests can be resumed using Resume Test feature. By using Test History feature, students can see their attempted tests history. Use Test Analysis reports for deep analysis of attempted tests. Students can view their test analysis reports using various criteria. After logging in as a student, select a subscribed package. Click on Classroom module, which contains link to live and upcoming classes. By simply clicking on Join, student can attend the online class. Log in as a student and choose a mock test. The test rendering environment is similar to the actual competitive exams online environment. The answer palette to show questions attempt status. Student can click certain question marked for review and attempt it later. Student can clear their previous answer response. If question details seems to be incorrect, student can mark it. Question paper view, for the ease of reviewing all questions in the test. Once all questions are attempted, click on Submit. Short summary of the test result will be shown here. Click on Show Result. This is test report analysis. Student can go through the chapter-wise analysis. Also analyze rank-wise analysis from here. Click on Check Answers. Student can review the answers given and marks obtained from this section. Similarly, subjective test can also be given on this platform. Answer text can be entered in the text box. And by clicking on Add Attachment, certain image can be attached to support the answer. Similarly, student can attempt rest of the questions and submit the test. As the test was subjective, test result will show on hold. Institute admin or teacher can evaluate the test on their portal using Manual Test Evaluation module. And to do the same, first log in as the institute administrator. Go to Manual Test Evaluation in Test Generator module. Search for the test which needs to be evaluated. Click on View for the desired test. Test details and students' details who attempted the test. Click to evaluate the test. Here teacher can review students' test answers and evaluate accordingly. Answer text of the question given by the student. Image attached by the student to support his answer. Click on Annotation. Teacher can add comments or explanation to students' answer using various tools such as pencil, text box, dots and various colors for representation purposes. Student can see this note on their portal after evaluation. Click Save after the note is finished. Set the marks obtained for the question. Once all questions done evaluating, click Evaluation Complete and save. And student will be able to check out their score and performance details in test history. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us for more information on below mentioned contact details.